There's a rifle sitting in a closet. Dollars in good condition, but Winchester made a special run called the 1 of 1,000. Rifles hand-selected for exceptional barrel accuracy, engraved and finished to a higher standard. Only a small number were ever marked this way. Today, a documented 1 of 1,000 in strong original condition can sell for well over $100,000. The lesson here, the standard model isn't rare, but the special variant hiding inside the same product line can be worth 100 times more. Always check the barrel markings before you assume you know what you have. Number 9. The Colt Single Action Army is one of the most reproduced guns in history. Modern versions are still made today. So how do you tell a fortune from a wall hanger? Production date: pre-1898, black powder era Colts, and especially documented pieces tied to law enforcement or military use in the Old West have been reported to sell in the $25,000 to $80,000 range in recent years. One with genuine provenance, a name, a story, a documented owner can reportedly push past 6 figures, though that's the exception, not the rule. The serial number is everything here. A 5-minute lookup can be the difference between a display piece and a down payment on a house. Number 8. Millions of M1 Garands were made for World War II, so most are affordable, a few $1,000s. But collectors chase something specific: rifles with all matching original parts from a single arsenal build, untouched by post-war rebuilds. A correct all-original Springfield Armory Garand from the early production years, in excellent condition, has reportedly brought $15,000 to $30,000 in collector sales, though this varies a lot by specific serial range. The catch: most Garands were rebuilt with mixed parts over decades of service. Finding one that was never touched is the rare part. Number 7. This one surprises people. The Winchester Model 21 was a premium double-barrel shotgun. Not technically a rifle, but bear with me, because the same logic applies across custom-order firearms. Winchester let buyers custom-order engraving, wood grade, and barrel length. A standard Model 21 might sell for around $4,000 today. A high-grade custom order, fully documented with the original factory letter, is the kind of piece collector auction data suggests can reach well into 6 figures. Genuinely rare documented sales, not a typical outcome. The principle, custom factory orders are almost always worth more than standard production, sometimes by a huge margin. Number 6. Marlin rifles made before the company changed ownership and manufacturing location are becoming increasingly valuable, not because they're old, but because collectors and list opened your eyes, hit subscribe. I break down a new set of hidden value firearms every week. From rifles to shotguns to military surplus most people walk right past. Drop a comment and tell me what's sitting in your safe right now. Who knows? It might be worth checking. I'll see you in the next one.